everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Sydney and Marvin. Look what I've got.
The animal train.
It's the animal train. Woo!
All aboard.
And
man.
Mr. Rod wrote this song,
Yeah.
and I think we're all starting to really get into it. I like it a lot.
Oh, man, I like it a whole lot.
So we're going to start out with the song, and then we're going to talk about some of the animals on our animal train.
Okay.
All right.
Let's think of some way to start the song.
Well, I wish we had a whistle train, don't you wish?
Let's just close our eyes and
Okay.
think if we hear of a train.
Magic. Did you hear that? That's
All
perfect.
aboard!
Well, let's get on the animal train, the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names when we get on the animal train.
Some live in trees.
Some live in the ground,
Some live underwater.
some live all around. All aboard the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names when we get on the animal train.
Some like the heat.
And some like the rain.
Some eat a lot.
Some have funny names. All aboard the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names. The animal train. All aboard the animal train.
Man, that's a good song, Miss Carol.
It's pretty
Yeah, that's a
fun.
good song.
It's pretty fun. It's a good way to introduce our animals on our
Yeah.
animal train.
What's our animals we're going to talk about today?
Well, okay, I've got the globe,
Yeah.
circling the globe, and I'm gonna stop in central China.
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 What's in China?
China has a really cute little animal,
Yeah.
and I'm taking it up for the kids to see and guess first. It's black and white.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is? Can you guess?
No, black and white. Let me think.
Pretty cute and cuddly.
If it wasn't black and white, it was just white, it might be me, but no.
That's true.
Black and in China.
China.
A panda.
That's right, a panda
A
bear.
panda, yeah.
A panda bear.
Panda.
Panda bears are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies. They have one baby at a time usually.
Yeah.
That's right. Anyway, what do you think they eat? They live in the central bamboo forest in central China. There's a bamboo.
Cheese.
No,
No,
Marvin.
no.
Not everything likes cheese.
No,
believe it or
bamboo,
not.
huh?
Yeah, bamboo forest in central China. And that is a hint, by the way.
Bamboo.
Yes, good, Sydney,
Bamboo.
good.
Bamboo.
They eat bamboo leaves. That's
Wow,
right.
Bamboo, huh?
How about
Not
that?
cheap.
Now, I brought Freddie over here. I love you, Freddie.
Hey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Hey,
coming over here and
Freddie.
joining
Hi,
us
Freddie.
today. Because the next little creature is the same as Freddie.
Yeah.
What is Freddie?
Oh.
He croaks.
A frog. Freddy's a frog.
That's right. The kids
Yeah.
knew before you, but anyway, yes, that's right. Frogs. And where do you think they live on the globe?
Boy, where do they live, Sydney?
Where they live?
I think
Sydney?
they live everywhere.
I think you're right. There are all kinds of different kinds of frogs, and they live
Yeah,
all
you're
over the
right.
globe.
Yeah.
Some of them live in trees, and a lot of them like the
Yeah.
water. And and some of them have different colors.
Yeah, what do they eat?
Well, they like meat,
Yeah.
so they like to eat bugs.
They
little
don't like
bugs.
cheese, huh?
They don't like cheese.
They're not too bright, I think, Sydney.
They
Yeah.
eat little bugs, and remember that one song, 5 fat and speckled,
Yep,
5 green and speckled frogs, and they eat the bugs and they say yum,
Oh,
yum.
I like that song.
I do too, and that's why they say yum yum, because they really do like
Yum,
eating
yum,
bugs.
Yum.
Now, as opposed to the panda who only has one baby at a time, the frogs have not just hundreds, but almost 1,000 eggs.
Whoa.
Yes, and they lay them in the water, and then they hatch, and they have like little fish tails, so they swim around, so they're called tadpoles.
Tadpole.
In fact, when I lived on the farm, I'd get tadpoles and I'd put them in a bucket and watch them change. They like do a metamorphosis, and that little fishtail kind of sinks into their bottom, and legs come out, and they end up hopping all over the land.
Wow.
So what kind of a creature has those kind of changes? Do you know? Not a mammal, but a...
Amphibian.
Yes, that's the word I was
Amphibian, yeah,
looking
You're pretty
for.
smart, yeah.
Yeah, very good,
Okay.
Sydney. That's good. I think
You
that's
got
what
a
we
lot of friends and relatives, Freddie.
Yes, you do, Freddie. We love you so much.
Oh, I think I hear my mom calling.
Oh, she must have some cheese.
Ooh, cheese!
So-
Now I just get red all over with cheese. I just go crazy.
Let's get back on the animal train to say
Okay,
goodbye to
let's
the
get
kids.
on. All aboard.
All aboard! Let's get on
Goodbye,
the animal
everybody.
train.
Goodbye, everybody.
Learn about the animals and all of their needs. We get on the animal train. All aboard. Ooh. There's that magical sound again. Till next time, everybody. Bye.